Hi everybody, welcome to the Crafty Corner. So happy Wednesday. Excuse the hair, y'all. I am in the Crafty Corner. I've been in here all morning. I am pulling out all of my little things that I've had since last year. So if y'all remember, last year was my first Easter. First time street selling for Easter. I did not start Valentine's, even though I was on the in the basket community by Valentine's. That's when I first encountered the basket community, and from there, and that was with Yummy Tea. From there, she motivated me, and I decided to do the baskets. And then I started meeting everybody else online or seeing their things, and every time I saw a basket person, I'd subscribe. So that was how I got subscribed to LBE and Boss Lady Fee and so on and so forth. Anyway, I bought a lot of stuff last year because it was my first Easter, and although I'm a savvy shopper, being a savvy shopper is not new to me. But knowing what kids really liked was. So I had a lot of inventory because I wanted to make sure I had a huge variety of things to get them sold. So I didn't get everything into a basket last year because that was when my momentum was starting, and that's how come I ended up with a lot of inventory this year. So I'm going through some of that inventory. I'm trying to go through all of it. But my plan is to start Easter sales April 5th. That will be my first Saturday out. And I think we're going to make it, y'all. I think we'll make it. So anyway, last year, I did a lot of Temu shopping. And, I won't lose that. One of the things that I did purchase from Temu were the magic water books. Now, I think I've shown you all these before. All right, and these are the little water pens that go with them. So I am finishing up those. I had 4 more of the girls. And I have 2 more of the boys. So I'm finishing up these girls. And I just wanted to show you what I put in them. You know, and this is using, I guess you could say off-brand toys for the kiddos. These items were bought in bulk. So they averaged out to, for the magic books, they averaged out to about 52 cents each. I also am using the little light up microphones. So you know this is going to be a basket for the age group of about 3 to 5 year olds. All right, and these are the little microphones that light up. I got these from Temu as well. And I got these in bulk as well too. And the little microphones, they average out to about, I think when I did the math, they came out to about 25 cents each. They were not that much. All right, so 52 cents, 25 cents. The little, I decided to put some, I ran out of those small bags of cotton candy, but I have these cotton candy lollipops for the kiddos in there. I'm just going to show you one that's not wrapped yet because I've been wrapping these. And I'll bring it down so you can see it. Now, as you can see, my light's gone a little crazy there. All right, so I have the magic book there. All right, and then we have our microphone here. All right, of course, our fruit snacks. I put a Fun Dip back there. We've got one of our candy animals over here, and this has jelly beans in it. You tighten him up just a little bit more. I don't want him moving around. All right, and then I have the 3 eggs. Now, I know I've been putting 2 eggs in my baskets. These are 2 candy eggs. These are stickers. All right, so that is what I put in these. They are all the same. And I'm not shrink wrapping these. I am just putting cello in these. So I'm going to put a little more grass back here in the back just to fill this little space out with the grass. And these are cute little baskets for the smaller kids who are not into designer things yet. The smaller kids who are not looking for Gucci and Prada. And neither are their parents, okay? Because they just got done paying for all that formula, y'all. Unless they were fortunate enough to get a program. They've been paying for that formula and stuff. Now, one of the things I do want to share with you, you all know how small those eggs are at Dollar Tree. And I'm okay with that because these are small baskets that I'm using. These are the baskets. They're real small. So I'm okay with the small eggs because proportionately they fit great in there. And these are the bags from Dollar General. All right, these come in an 18 count at Dollar General for $1. $1. So I picked up 5 of these because I ran out of eggs this morning. So I had to go get more eggs. Yeah, I've been busting baskets out today, and I did run out of eggs. And like I said, these are $1. Now, if you get, and I wanted to tell you all this because I think sometimes it might, I mean, I believe all of you all can shop and shop very well. I enjoy watching you shop and watching some of your hauls. You know, but just a tip, at Dollar General, the 18 count is $1. All right, same eggs, 20 count is $2. So, I don't know about you, but they can keep the 20 count because I'm not giving them a whole $1 for another 2 more eggs. I'm just not doing that. So, 18 count for $1 at Dollar General. I did pick up 5 of those so I could get the rest of these little baskets done. And I'm over 100 small baskets already, y'all. And the reason for that is because I have all these little small items like these books and the little microphone sets that I can pair together to get them out of here. All right, now I'm cello wrapping because I have the perfect size cello bags for these. So I am going to continue to cello wrap all of these little bags. This is the last one. And let's get that handle down because I don't want the handle sticking up like that. There we go. All right, I'm going to just tape the bottom of this down, and I am just using zip ties to tie these up with. And then I'm putting mesh bows on them. What I did was, once I get the mesh bows on them, I have one of my long totes that all of those totes that I bought from Temu. I have one of them that's outside on the porch on the table, and I am putting the gifts in there as I do them so that I can pick that tote up and carry it on in the house. I've been doing my pictures, trying to get better quality pictures for y'all so you can actually see what I'm doing in that troll basket. I couldn't get any lighting on it because my ring light that I got from Hobby Lobby on sale has a short in it. Since it was a sale item, I can't take it back. But I got another ring light over there that I will probably have out by the live tonight. Anyway, I am going to, I'm taking these out there and putting them in that bag. push my little marshmallow stick down some more so he won't get squished. Okay. And I'm still new at working with cello, y'all. I'm not going to say new, but I'm going to have to go back and watch a few more videos on how to keep this nice and smooth. But, alright, so I'm going to bow these, get them out there in that bag, and get started on the next 4. And that's what I've been doing today, is trying to do a 4 at a time. Because that's helping me get it done a little bit faster. Anywho, I will see you all tonight at 7 p.m. for our Wednesday live. And I will be doing a drawing again tonight. So we'll talk about that later. I'm going to be working on some bigger concepts. I did find a couple of sales items at Walmart a couple of days ago, and I will be putting those into some concepts as well. And these were some little kids' toys that it was like 4 toys I got because I needed the troll set. So one of the troll baskets you've already seen. I've got to do one more. I still got one more head up there that I'm going to be doing that trolls basket with. And then I picked up a cube because they have a sale going on at my Dollar General. And you know, I already had the Stitch cube. Well, I found a Spider-Man one today, and this is one of the small ones. So I do have several Spider-Man things to go in that. So I look forward to getting all of that done. And if for any reason I need to cancel this live, I will let you all know in a timely manner. So in the meantime, in between time, you all be blessed. But most importantly, be a blessing.